Hi, we're back with another video, and this video is for you if you're doing lead generation and cold outreach for your clients. So I had a lot of questions about white labeling RepliQ in order to rebrand RepliQ into their own brands or their client's brand. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your client's custom domains inside of RepliQ and how easy it is to manage multiple clients in the same dashboard. So if you want to see how our users who are agencies using RepliQ to level up their clients' results, then make sure to watch this video till the end. I'm Magdalena, one of the co-founders of RepliQ, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go to dnschecker.org just to double check that the custom domains we want to add in RepliQ, that they actually are correctly set up and that they work. Okay, so we're just gonna put the domains that we want to use here. So I'm gonna put this one, and then I'm going to choose CNAME and search, and see that they are all pointed to alias.repliq.co. So this one is correctly set up. And then I'm going to try another one and search. And those are also pointed to alias.repliq.co. So perfect. And how to set up your custom domain is written in this article here. I'm putting a link below, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to add custom domains. And so when we have the custom domains set up, we're going to the dashboard of RepliQ, and then you're going to this profile icon right here, and here we're just gonna add the custom domains that we want to add. So I'm going to put this one as a custom domain and also this one as a custom domain. So you can have multiple domains here. Here's just two examples. So now we have this custom domain and we have this custom domain. So before you putting those domains, all the videos or images that you're gonna make is by default going to be in RepliQ's brand. Okay, so when you changed the custom domain, the first one is gonna be the one that is your primary custom domain. So all of the videos that you make here now is going to be this first domain. So when you're handling different clients and multiple domains, then you cannot use the normal flow in this icon here. So you cannot do this normal flow that you're used to. What you need to do as an agency, if you're handling multiple clients, is that you're going to create different templates for different domains and different clients. So I'm going to first choose which template that I want here. So I'm going to choose the video at scale and then create my first template. And this one, I'm going to name the domain that I'm using to know which template it is. And then I'm going to choose the background for my video and then choosing the domain. So we make sure to choose the right domain here. We're uploading our video. And then I'm just going to go through all of the steps here. So I'm just going to keep the video page option to bottom left, the bubble in the bottom left, small bubble. Video shape, I'm going to use the square one. Title could be what do you think, and intro, and then button text could be talk more. Putting them to the RepliQ page. And then the background for this button could be greenish, and background hover could be more blue. So you see the bottom is gonna look like this on the video page, and then choose a Calendly on the video page. So when I chose my custom domain here and named the template and went through all of the steps, I can save my template here. So once the template is made, then you can just easily use it by going here, and then you're going to template. And now I can choose my template. This one is the one here. Importing the file that I have for my client for this specific domain. So now I'm just gonna make a test here, like that. Next, next. URL, next, next, and I'm processing the data, and I'm going to launch the process. So that is how easy it is to actually make RepliQ videos. So once you have a template, you just need your prospect list, upload it, and then generate the videos. So now I'm gonna go back and I'm going to create a second template for my second domain. So here I'm just gonna create another template. So I'm choosing my template type. I'm gonna do the video at scale. I create another template, and this one I'm going to name the other domain. And choose the background, gonna be websites. Choose a domain, so I'm going to choose the other domain I have here, and you can have a list of several domains here, but you see those two are the ones that I added. And then going through all of the steps again, uploading my logo, and then I'm just going to put this one on the bottom right with a big bubble after 5 seconds. Circle, title, what you think again, intro, let's talk, button, and this one I can keep black like that, just to be able to differentiate the templates that we made. So here we have another button color, putting our Calendly, and then when I walk through all of the steps here, the same as last time, I'm just gonna save my template. Perfect. So now I have one template for this domain and one template for this domain. Okay, so we're gonna use the second template now. Going back to the dashboard, using template, and choosing the template, this second one, video.notic. And then I'm just gonna put the prospect list. I'm gonna put this one again for an example, and then next. Launch the process. So now basically I have been running 2 lists of prospects for 2 different clients of mine. So here is the first one we made. So I can name this my client A, to know which list this is. Cool, so we have client A, and then we're gonna have this as client B when it's finished. And I'm going to preview this client A that we just made. So here's the video that I made. As you can see, if you, of course, you can have a prospect list with several hundreds of different backgrounds and several hundreds of different URLs to make them change and adapt to each of your leads, of course. But the most important here is that you can see that the domain for the video page is this one now. It's highnotic.io. And by default, this would be RepliQ, but since we added a custom domain, then now it's going to be your client's brand. So you see the button is in the colors of your client. That would be the logo of your client and your client's Calendly there. Okay, so when we go back, we can see that the second file is done. So here I'm going to name it client B, like that. And when we are previewing this one, then we have the second template, and you can see that this looks different because we chose another bubble option here, and the custom domain here is another domain, as you can see here, and as you can see the branding colors are different, and here we would put another Calendly for our second client and our second client's logo here, of course. So this is how easy it is to just have different clients in the same dashboard, and then you can just reuse the templates that you made like that from there, and then choosing the templates that you have super easily. And another cool thing to share is that before we started to create RepliQ, we actually had an agency of our own where we did lead generation and cold outreach for our clients. And what we found was really hard sometimes was to ask our clients for their video. So when it took too much time, and when we realized that the client maybe is a bit too shy to be on camera, or for whatever reason we didn't get their video, then another option that you can do is to create an avatar using your client's photo. Basically, you have 2 options. Either you have this type of video where we're using them inside of a bubble here, and then we're using the prospects LinkedIn photo here, if you're uploading, instead of the website URLs, you're uploading the LinkedIn URLs of the prospects. So then you can use a voice and then a text. So creating text through video using a photo, a front-faced photo, and making your clients an avatar speaking instead of asking them for a video. So this is a very cool new format that is really wowing the prospects, because this is a video format that nobody have seen before. So this is one option. The other option is to go to this option to use your client and make them an avatar and then changing the backgrounds. Just like our normal video, but instead of having a normal video here, you're having your prospects as an avatar using a front face photo of them, making them talk, and then creating videos through text. So it's gonna be a too long video if I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, but basically you would create a new template, and then you're gonna use the AI avatar and create a template here, and using the domain of your clients, of course, and just uploading a front face picture of them. So I really hope that this makes sense to you and you see how easy and how fast it is to make new videos for your clients and how to handle different clients in the same dashboard. And if you have any questions, please come to our chat and talk to us more there. And otherwise, I wish you a very, very great day. Bye.